A piece of pizza on the street. Better clean this up. A slice of pizza on the street.
Stop. Go in there and got.
I found this outside. Just wondering if I can get a refund. No? Nothing, guys.
Okay, I'll take a picture, okay.
No, I'm not gonna miss it yet. Can I get rid of it? What'll I do with it? Alright, tossing there. Alright, guys. Cheers, guys. I'll put it back where I found it.
They tell me like they don't respond, so I go back out and place.
What is the sword, man? Fuck!